Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you another crazy ControlNet model that can help you get consistent results. Just about 2 weeks ago, I made a video showing my workflow using Tile ControlNet. Now this ControlNet model makes it even better. I'm talking about TemporalNet. For this video, I'm going to be using a clip from the movie Shaolin Soccer. Before trying out TemporalNet, I wanted to generate this video using the previous method, which is using Tile and Head model. I have already loaded all the settings here, and the ControlNet models I'm using are tile and head, with the tile and ControlNet step as 0.6, and for head model I'm using wait schedule as 0.85 and 0.75 for end ControlNet step. And I've also checked loopback mode. When you check the loopback mode, this ControlNet takes the previously generated frame and tries to create a smooth animation. And for the prompt, I'm turning this into Inazuma 11 anime. I have already generated part of the animation using this method, so let's have a look at it. So that was not bad. I mean, it was pretty consistent and the style was applied too. But what if we include TemporalNet into this workflow? TemporalNet is made by the same developer who made the extension Temporal Kit. To use TemporalNet, you need to download this ControlNet model and place it inside extensions SD ControlNet Models. And you also have to download this YAML file and rename it with the same name as the ControlNet model. Once you downloaded it, you can use it just like you use Tile. Now I will try to add TemporalNet along with Tile model and change the settings to get some results. Okay, so after testing a little, I found the settings that can work well for this video using TemporalNet and Tile. I'm going to be using 0.2 strength, 7.5 CFG, and for the ControlNet, I have reduced the tile end step to 0.3 and start to 0.2, which means tile is applied for only 20% of the video. This is why I think this method can be really good. Tile ControlNet basically tries to keep the output very similar to the input. That's why it can be sometimes difficult to get changes in your video. So we're taking only the small part of consistency the tile has to offer. And for the second ControlNet, I've added open pose with wait 2 and end step 0.1. I also enabled loopback mode. The last component is TemporalNet. So what we're doing here is reducing the effect from tile to get more stylization, and TemporalNet is helping in maintaining the consistency. So for the first 10%, only open pose and TemporalNet are applied, and from then for the next 20% tile is applied, and after that it's just TemporalNet. And because we are using lower end step value, I have increased the strength value to 0.2 instead of 0. Let's have a look at side by side comparison of these animations. The animation made using TemporalNet is clearly better, and you also have to keep in mind that very less of tile was used here. It was mostly TemporalNet for this video. I think if we find the correct balance between TemporalNet, tile, and strength, we can get a completely flicker-free animation. I'm working on another animation using tile, head, and TemporalNet. Here's small part of it. It's not completed yet, but once it's done, I will be uploading it on Instagram, so be sure to follow me there. Let me know if you want me to make a video on any topic. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.